Good morning, everybody. Not too much going on this morning other than the fact that it is time to fire up the big rig and hopefully it starts and runs good.
Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Will the engine blow up?
Our headquarters on the river's edge.
Ready, set, go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right, heading over to the local dump to discard of the used oil, and she seems to be running good. This is what our local oil dump looks like. It's this big old gas tank. Basically, you just pour the used oil down in there and they dispose of it somehow. Not totally sure, but not my problem. Alright, so dropped off a second load of oil, and I also ate lunch. Now I'm going to make a tutorial video on how to clean up your engine bay. Hopefully it's kind of interesting and hopefully people will find it kind of fun. Wow, look at that sky. Nice and blue. Yeah, I'm gonna get started on that. Have to wait for it to cool down. I bought some degreaser. I'll spray some of that on there and roll the hose out, get ready to rumble, and make the video. I got the tutorial video done on how to clean out your engine bay, and so while I'm waiting for my engine bay to dry, I decided to hop in the trunk of my car. I put down the rear seats and finish getting the covers tightened up for the rear speakers that I installed. It looks good. I'm going to clean out the trunk here, maybe vacuum, get my floor mats in, and she's about a done deal for the day. Alright, spark plug boots and stuff still aren't dry, so I'm taking the hair dryer to them quick. Hopefully get them dried up nice and fast.
A little bit of Christmas light short circuiting going on. Oh, there it goes.
Alright, started it up and no misfires, so that's good. That means it's all dry in there. You'll be able to tell if there's a misfire because every once in a while the engine would kind of jerk like this. Whoop, whoop. It wouldn't have just a normal vibration. It would kind of whoop, whoop. But no misfires, so it's good.
Caitlin and I are taking the dogs to the park for a little walk. You can see Grady's eyes over there as he pees.
Where's the black dog?
Okay, Caitlin and I got done with our walk at the dog park. It was really cool, a lot of stars out. It was kind of fun catching up. And now I'm at Connor's, letting the car warm up a little bit because it's kind of cold out, and Connor's coming home from his girlfriend's house, Jocelyn. So he should be here in a little bit. I'm just going to keep waiting. Maybe I'll go down by the fire. They've got a big bonfire going on down there. I might go check it out. Jay chillin' with Connor and Jocelyn. If you guys like what you saw today, feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the morning for when I head back to lacrosse.